How to find songs on TikTok with Spotify easily. This is super simple. So let's dive right into the video. If you want to find TikTok songs and save them directly to your Spotify, here's how to do it. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap on the icon with 3 lines to open the menu. And then select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down to the Content and Display section and tap on Music. Once you are there, click on Save to Music app. Now, choose Spotify as your music app. You can also select Apple Music if you prefer. After selecting Spotify, you will need to log in your Spotify account to connect it. Make sure to enable the option Add Songs to Music app on the For You feed. This setting ensures that any music you discover on TikTok can be directly added to Spotify. Now, go back to TikTok and watch a video with a song you like. When you see the song's title at the bottom of the screen, you will see an option to add to Spotify. And this song will automatically be added to your liked songs playlist on Spotify. This makes it super easy to find and listen to the songs you love anytime. And here we go. That's how you can seamlessly save TikTok songs to your Spotify playlist. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.